Smart garage door openers are transforming home convenience and security by allowing homeowners to monitor, control, and automate their garage access from virtually anywhere. Below are the top 5 best options that combine modern features with reliable performance. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best smart garage door openers that's worth your money. And I'm going to break down each of them, including their features and benefits, so you can see which of them might be the best choice for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on great product recommendations. Check the link in the description for current prices and more detail. At number 5, we have the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Door Video Keypad. The Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Door Video Keypad offers a premium blend of security and convenience with its wide-angle surveillance camera, advanced motion detection, and real-time notifications via the MyQ app. It supports two-way audio, allowing live communication with visitors or monitoring ambient sounds near your garage. Personalized access codes can be created and managed through the app, granting temporary or scheduled access for family, guests, or service providers. Its compatibility with LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman openers ensures seamless integration, while the option to retrofit with a power adapter kit eliminates the hassle of battery maintenance. Coming in at number 4 is Remushio Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart Garage Door Opener. The Remushio 2 Smart Opener provides flexible connectivity through both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing control of your garage door even when internet access is unavailable. It comes with a sensor that tracks the door's status and sends notifications whenever it is opened or closed. Enhanced security features include 256-bit end-to-end encryption and subscription-free operation, making it cost-effective and safe. It supports Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Siri shortcuts, and SmartThings, enabling seamless integration into most smart home systems. Sharing access is also simple, with virtual keys that can be distributed via QR codes to up to 20 people. Number 3 is Wyze Smart Garage Door Opener with HD Video. The Wyze Smart Garage Door Opener stands out with its built-in 1080p HD camera featuring color night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio for real-time monitoring and communication. Unlike many alternatives, it uses AI-powered vision sensing instead of traditional sensors to detect door status, reducing installation complexity. Users can remotely view, open, or close their garage door and receive alerts if it remains open for too long. It supports continuous video recording with local storage, includes a mini siren for added security, and works with existing garage door equipment, making it a budget-friendly yet powerful option. Number 2 is Craftsman 1/2 horsepower Smart Garage Door Opener. The Craftsman 1/2 horsepower Smart Garage Door Opener combines strength and smart technology with a rugged chain drive system and built-in Wi-Fi for remote access via the MyQ app. It can easily lift standard 7-foot doors with its 1/2 horsepower motor and comes with a wireless keypad for convenient entry. The included 3-button remote has a 1,500-foot range and can control up to 3 doors. Security is reinforced with Security Plus 2.0, which generates a unique access code for each activation to prevent hacking attempts, ensuring safe and reliable operation for everyday use. And finally, our number 1 pick is Chamberlain Keyless Garage Door Access System. The Chamberlain 940 EV-P2 is a highly reliable and easy-to-install keyless garage door entry system, compatible with most major brands including Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman, except Series 100. It allows homeowners to create temporary PINs for deliveries or guest access, enhancing convenience without compromising security. Wireless programming eliminates the need for complex electrical connections, while its universal fit covers most models manufactured since 1993. This model focuses on straightforward, secure access control rather than advanced features, making it a simple yet effective solution for everyday garage management. Each of these smart garage door openers offers unique features tailored to different needs, from advanced video monitoring to robust keyless entry systems. Whether you prioritize high-tech security, versatile connectivity, or ease of use, there's an option here to enhance your garage's functionality and your home's safety. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments section which product you love the most, or if you've tried any of these already. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check out an updated price and availability for any brand you are interested in. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as I always appreciate that. Have a great day and see you in my next video. Thank you.